Howdy. Okay, we're doing we've got the '89 Camry we're working on. It's got an oil leak, and so we're going to fix the oil leak. And while we're doing an oil leak, we're going to do a little preventive maintenance because we're down there by the oil pump. We're going to change the belt, the water pump, and the tensioner and idler pulley for the belt, and also the thermostat. So you want to remove one of your leads on your battery. You got to take off the alternator. You got to take off this motor mount, and you got to take off the timing chain cover. Right behind the timing chain cover there is the water pump, and you got to come down here. You got to take this is the power steering belt. You got to loosen up the power steering, take the belt off. You got to take off the hub, harmonic balancer, pull that off, and then you can get the other half of the timing belt cover. So I will turn you back on when I got more to show you. Ciao. Okay, I'm back. Let's recap. We had an alternator here. You have to take the alternator off and the bracket that's behind it. There's a bracket there. The belt goes around the air conditioner and around the crank pulley. You got to get that off and get out of the way. Then you also have to, down there you see that pulley, that's power steering. You got to loosen that up and get that belt off. Then you have to take off the harmonic balancer. That's that guy right there. And there. That's the oil pump. So you got to take the timing belt off in order to get the oil pump off. And since I'm in here, like I said, I'm also going to, let me get some light. I'm also going to replace the water pump. That's that right there. Okay, I get some more stuff apart. Oh, the other thing I did too is I marked, if you look over here, I marked the pulley on either side of the timing mark. I also marked the belt, and down here I marked the belt and I marked the crank, just for ease of putting it back on. I mean, it's at top dead center, so shouldn't be any problems. When I get the belt off, I'm going to put the marks on the new belt, so it'll be easy to put it back together. No thinking, just doing. Alright, I'll turn you back on when I got some more. Thanks. Okay, I got carried away. Forgot about taping. Here's the idler pulley. You got to take this off in order to get the oil pump out. And listen to that puppy. Sounds like it's got dirt in it. And I got this is the tensioner. Same thing. Sounds like it's got dirt in it. And there's that's the 47-piece motor mount. I don't think it was designed by Toyota. I think Ruby Goldberg designed that motor mount. So I got the oil pump on. This is the O-ring. I'm not sure if that broke by me taking it off or if it was cracked there and that's where it was leaking, but the seal, which is on the shaft, is definitely, there's not much, there's no rubber in there. It's hard. So, but oil pump's in. Just got to snug it up and onto the water pump. Alright, I'll turn you back on when I got some more, if I remember. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, it's done. What a pain.
Oh, my engine, how I've missed you.
Yeah, you missed it. get that piece of paper off the windshield there. So this motor mount is a real pain in the assets. This is a piece, this is a piece, this is a piece, this is a piece, there's a piece down here. And you got to be related to Ruby Goldberg to put that in. Yeah, and that's I used that to pull the hub. There's a bolt that nut rather that I used to get the harmonic balancer off. And then this is also a piece of it too. And all that stuff has to come off. Alternator's got to come off. The water pump's down underneath there. You can see this one's kind of clean because it's new. Those are the two covers for the timing belt, and the harmonic balancer was a real pain getting off. It was easy to get on. I got it on, and then I forgot I had to put the cover on first. Another pain to get it off. So this was a test of patience, and I'm not even a doctor. Alrighty, guys. I gotta get something to load it from the camera onto the computer, and then I'll upload these three videos. Talk to you soon. Ciao. Oh, happy motoring.